This is round 7, stitch 9, and you're supposed to go back here and start single crocheting again. So to me it wasn't working out right, so here's what I do. I do a chain 1, and then I turn my work, and then when you go back, you're going to do, let's see, decrease in every other stitch. But since I'm starting here and not back here, I'm going to go ahead and decrease in the first one. And I'm doing it like the kind of old-fashioned decrease way. So it's just easier with this yarn. Okay, so there's that one, and then we're going to single crochet in the next one. And then we're going to go our decrease right here. And so on till we get to the end. I should have 6 stitches here. Okay, so here I have 6 stitches, and now I'm at my original starting point. So for round 9, we're supposed to decrease in each stitch around and end up with 3. So let's do that. Okay, once again, I chain 1, turn my work, and then this is the normal start, so, but it's 3 decreases anyway, so there's 1, here's 2, and here's 3, okay, there's 3. So now I have 3 stitches, and I'm at where I am supposed to be at the end. So what I'm supposed to do next is start in the first stitch, the first single crochet from round 7. So, what I'm going to do is just continue to go back 9 stitches around this way. And a sneaky part I do is I'm going to take this, I'm just going to make a slip stitch right there, and then another slip stitch like right here, come on, there we go. Okay, so the slip stitch right there, and then I'm going to do 9 single crochets all the way over to here. So what I just did was, in reality, it was round 7. So now I'm going to go that way and back that way, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet and then a decrease. So I want to have 9, let me see, go from 9 to 6 stitches. I actually didn't go back far enough, so here I am, and I have 9 single crochets, gets me right over to there. So now I'm going to single crochet, decrease, so I have 6 stitches left. Okay, so now this is round 8 right here, and I have to get this part here down to where it only has 3 stitches in it. So I'm just going to decrease 3 times, head back that way. I'm going to start with a chain 1, and then I'll turn my work, and then I'll just do my 3 decreases, just following through like that, and I'll get back with the 3 decreases. So what I have is a heart that's looking like this, and there's an opening here. So I'm going to just like weave these parts in here. First stuff them and then weave them, and then I'll be finished. It's a lot different than what she showed in her really short reel, but it gets the job done, and it works for me. It's not 5 minutes though. So there's the 3 hacks. This is the last one I did.